welcome back. It's Christmas and there's gonna be family get together, friends paying you a visit. So I decided to share this simple and flaky meat pie recipe that you and your family are going to love. It's super simple and trust me, you're going to love it. So to a heated pan, we'll go in with my corned beef. I'm going to fry it very well without adding any oil to it because the corned beef has a lot of fats in. So we'll just fry it. Then I will add in some chopped onions. We'll give it a quick stir. Then season it with some paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and ginger. We'll give it a stir. You can add any seasoning of choice, okay? Whatever you have available. Once that is done, I'm going to fry it for about a minute or two. This is very simple and delicious. We'll set it aside and allow it to cool down while I move on to my pie crust. So to a bowl, I have about 5 to 7 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we'll add in some salt, which is about a tablespoon. We'll go in with half teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of onion powder. But you can use the freshly one, you can grate it, whichever one you want. I'll go on to mix everything together, then set it aside. Now with the butter, I'm using about 16 ounces of butter, which is 2 cups. I'll go ahead to add in the butter to the flour and mix it with my fingertips. Okay, my hands are clean. You don't have to worry about that. We'll go on to add in my second butter and continue to mix until I get the texture I'm going for. My bowl wasn't big enough, so I went ahead to change it into a bigger one. So guys, at this point, you can go ahead and add in your cold water or milk and you are good to go. But for today, I'm adding in eggs. Yes, and to tell you the truth, I've never added eggs to my pie, but I've seen a couple of videos where people add eggs to it, and trust me, it's so good. So at this point, you're not going to add any water to it. I'll go in to add in some evaporated milk to give it that rich and delicious taste. We'll continue to mix it with my fingertips and also making sure I don't overmix it. Next step is to make our egg wash. So I'll crack in 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. We'll mix it together, then set it aside. Moving on to the next step is to sprinkle some flour on my work surface and on my rolling pin. We'll mold the pie crust onto my work surface, then roll it to flatten it down. So this is the thickness I'm going for. To shape my pie, I'm going to go ahead to use my bowl. You can use anything you have available to create your shape. We'll add in my filling, then brush the ends with the egg wash, then flip it over. So once that is done, I'll go ahead to press the ends with my finger, but you can use your fork. It works perfectly, okay? Once I'm done, I'll go ahead to place it into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, then continue the rest. We'll repeat the same process by adding in my filling, brushing the ends with the egg wash, then flip it over. We'll press the ends with my fingers to seal it. So I'll go ahead to glaze it with the rest of the egg wash left. Then pop them into the oven and allow it to bake for about 25 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And guys, if I tell you this meat pie is so flaky and delicious, and then call that chilled malt. It's so delicious. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below if you're gonna give it a try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.